Introducing the Acer Swift 3 Thin and Light Laptop, a powerful and versatile machine designed to enhance your productivity and entertainment. With its AMD Ryzen 7 5700U octa-core processor and Radeon graphics, you can run demanding apps with lightning-fast responsiveness and enjoy hyper-efficient battery usage that keeps you productive throughout the day. Immerse yourself in consistently rich and bright visuals on the 14 inches Full HD IPS display, which boasts a wide 100% sRGB color gamut and an 85.73% screen-to-body ratio for an immersive viewing experience. The narrow bezels and 16:9 aspect ratio add to the sleek design and maximize screen space. With 8GB LPDDR4X onboard memory and a 512GB NVMe SSD, you'll have ample storage for your files and media while experiencing fast performance. Thanks to the Windows Hello fingerprint reader, you can ensure the security of your Acer PC with biometric authentication. Connectivity is a breeze with 802.11ax Wi-Fi 6 dual band and Bluetooth 5.2. providing fast and reliable wireless connections. And with Acer's purified voice technology, your calls will be clearer and interacting with Alexa will be easier than ever before. The Acer Swift 3 SF314-43R2YY is designed to be lightweight and portable, weighing less than 3 pounds and featuring an all-metal aluminum chassis for durability and style. Its slim profile and impressive 12.5-hour battery life make it the perfect companion for a full day of work or entertainment. Equipped with a stereo ring fan, the Swift 3 maximizes cooling efficiency, ensuring optimal performance even during intensive tasks. The air inlet keyboard expels more heat, and you can choose between silent, normal, and performance modes to suit your cooling needs. Experience the innovation and power of the Acer Swift 3 Thin and Light Laptop. Get yours today and elevate your productivity and entertainment to new heights. Please note that this product is designed for use in the US and may require an adapter or converter for international use.